The State Council Information Office said on Thursday that China's foreign trade expanded at its fastest pace for the first half of this year since 2011. Data shows both the trade volume and value saw steady gains, with yuan-denominated exports up 15% and imports up 25.7% year-on-year. That left the country with a trade surplus of 1.3 trillion yuan, or almost $190 billion. A breakdown of the data shows that heavy machinery and electronics goods accounted for much of the export growth, with cars, ships, and cell phones among the high-demanded products by foreign countries. Besides, trade activity with the European Union, the US, and the ASEAN countries all registered double-digit growth. Figures also show that in June alone, exports from the world's second-largest economy rose 11.3% from a year earlier, while imports expanded 17.2%. Both numbers beat expectations.
The world economic situation had a modest recovery since January this year and the second half of last year, which promoted China's exports. In addition, the increase in foreign trade volume was related to our country's promotion of supply-side structural reform and macroeconomic development.
Global demand for Chinese goods remains firm, while the domestic appetite for construction materials is still strong. But analysts warn that economic and political risks could dampen the growth rate. Beijing is gradually tightening its grip on lending activities, while an expanding trade surplus with the U.S. could put the two nations' trade relations on edge again. A stronger yuan-US dollar exchange rate may also slow the pace of China's exports.